Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to play Reyna. So let's just get straight into the video. Reyna is a duelist and a player that you need to play aggressive with. And it's going to be the perfect character if you like to play aggressive, fast, and all about it. So let's just talk about all the abilities that Reyna has to offer and how you can top frag in the game. So the first ability for Reyna is going to be Leer, which is going to be a orb that you can throw on the sky, which will make people who can look at it blind. That is right, you heard it correct. Then Reyna has another ability which is called Devour. It's simply a way to go ahead and heal with Reyna. If you get a kill, you can simply go ahead and use the Devour ability, which you have 2 in the game from, and Reyna will get full health back from that. The third ability that Reyna has to offer is going to be Dismiss. If you guys made a couple kills and there is going to be a situation where you need to get away from as fast as you can, Dismiss is your way, because Reyna is going to be invincible for 1 to 2 seconds and you can simply go ahead and get away from. And finally, there's going to be Empress, which is going to be Reyna's ultimate ability. And when you simply go ahead and activate Reyna's ultimate, you guys can use unlimited of Devour and Dismiss as well. Now this one's going to be a bit different. I can't go ahead and show you how to play Reyna in custom, so we're going to be hopping straight into Spike Rush.
I've stood over so many corpses. A few more.
Match found. Spike rush.
I built literally everything on this battlefield. Yeah, literally my killer.
So as you guys know, Reyna is supposed to be played as a duelist, which means you are supposed to get kills with it and trade off. So I'm going to simply go ahead and start immediately by throwing my blinder, and then I'm going to throw it again and then push out. As you can see, these guys are not on this side. There's one on the spawn. As you can see, this is going to be the dismiss that I can use to go ahead and get away from the situations. Oh, I just got shot.
Player standing. Spike planted. Enemy remaining. 3.
So as you can see, using Reyna's abilities are pretty straightforward. So when it comes to pushing, you simply go ahead and use the blinders. Oh no.
Player standing. Last round before the switch.
The sun is so bright. You.
Spike planted.
Oh.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Enemy remaining. A.
You can see your faces.
Switching sides.
Shit, you told Reyna that was insane.
Daj more klipa kaട്ने. Fuck.
Heal up, squad.
Here. Who? Heal.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Here. Outrun me.
The last thing they'll see before they die. Lucky them.
Cutting the vision.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Player standing. Match point.
Is there here?
Last player standing. Last player standing.
That's the heal right here.
Defenders win.
So I think I made you guys pretty clear about how to go ahead and use the dismiss, or how to use the healing ability as well in the game, and also the blinder. I hope this video clarified everything for you. The more you practice, the more better you will get. So go ahead and keep on playing. And if you guys want me to make another video on any agent, let me know which one you would like to see. And I'll see you on the next one.